Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here. Gonna apologize about this video again because, wow, I seem to be terrible about making sure the audio is on before I record videos. I don't know why this has been a running problem for me, but I'm gonna be much more vigilant about it from now on. Anyways, here's me unboxing something with a voiceover again. So, I don't know how that will go, but hopefully it'll be pretty, good. I don't know. Alright, see you guys in a second. Alright, so I got another package from Amazon. And I have a Justine here with me. She's being all cute. So I've been really sick lately and I haven't been able to open this even though I knew that I was getting it in the mail because I had talked to the person who was sending it to me. If you guys remember from my very first Amazon wishlist unboxing video, Ezsithyn, he decided to be very generous and send me another gift. So I knew it was coming, but I don't know what it is. So here I am, opening it up, and oh my gosh, alright! It's some tombow dual brush pens, boop boop, in the bright colors. I really like these for all kinds of things, especially like brush lettering. It's really fun. Really excited about this. I don't remember what I'm saying right here and what I'm talking about. Oh, here's the message. Alright. Hey V, back again with another gift, cause why not? Enjoy, Ezsithyn. So nice. Can't believe that I got another gift from you. That's amazing. You're amazing, and I cannot thank you enough. I'm just, wow. I still can't believe that I'm getting all these gifts and all these really lovely things that I get to use and have fun with. So, anyways, I also wanted to thank all of my patrons, Ezsithyn, Jay, Artemystik, and Kim and Rhian. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I really, really appreciate it. It helps me out so much. If anybody else wants to check out my Patreon, the link is below. If you could also, like, comment on my videos so that I could get to know you, that would be awesome. I would love that. And thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you guys are having a good day, because I certainly am. Bye!